Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best backpack beach chairs that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Ostrich on your back chair. With up to 5 adjustable positions, this is a perfect pick of a backpack beach chair that you will find very comfy. The backpack chair allows you to sit in different positions up to 9 inches off the ground, thus a comfy setup you don't want to miss. Besides this, the unit is ruggedly built using premium steel frames that offer quality stability. It can support up to 325 pounds, thus a chair that can be used by many. More interestingly, the unit has been fitted with a cup holder on the handle so that you get to relax while having your favorite drink. To add more, it has an extra wide seat that offers exceptional comfort to the user. It is finished in a wide range of colors for everyone to find what suits him, her. Featuring backpack strap, the chair is easy to transport and despite the quality features, it is cost-effective. Moving on at number 4, we have the GCI Portable Backpack Beach Chair with Sunshade. Fitted with a large sunshade head, the backpack beach chair is very comfy and will protect you from the harsh UV rays. This means that it is a perfect seat that you can use at the beach during the summer, thus a unit you don't want to miss. Apart from this, it has a reclining ventilated mesh back that you can adjust to 4 positions, making it very comfortable. Because of this, you can adjust to suit your relaxation position. Again, the chair is very comfy thanks to the large seat area, and with the headrest pillow, it offers exceptional services. More interestingly, the unit has powder-coated aluminum, steel hybrid frames, which bring about great stability and support. This makes it a very strong chair with a payload of 250 pounds, making it ideal for most users. The highly versatile chair is ideal for backpacking, beaching, camping, and sporting events among others. At number 3, we have the Wejoy Backpack Beach Chair. Covered in a quality 600D Oxford fabric material, the backpack chair is a pick that you will find great for all your outdoor activities. It is a waterproof chair that you can use whenever needed thanks to the foldable portable design. To add more, the unit has been fitted with an integrated cup holder for keeping the drinks. Apart from this, the chair is adjustable to 4 different positions so that you get what positions will suit your relaxation needs. More interestingly, it also has a shoulder strap for easy carrying plus a comfy headrest pillow that will keep you in a more relaxed mood. The quality chair has been built using quality lightweight aluminum frames, which makes it a pick that will suit you accordingly and serve longer. At number 2, we have the Life is Good Beach Chair with Cooler. When you need a fantastic beach backpack, this is a unit that has been fitted with a cooler to keep you comfy when relaxing. The cooler is easily detachable to allow for elementary cleaning and unloading. Other than this, it also has up to 5 adjustable positions for the backrest so that you move to suit your relaxation needs. It is 2 built-in cup holders and a large headrest pillow for great comfy. What is more, the chair has been built using the best rust-proof aluminum frames, making it lightweight and durable. It also has a higher payload, hence will suit most of the users. And finally at number 1, we have the Tommy Bahama Backpack 5 Positions Beach Chair. In case you need a comfy backpack beach chair that will offer great relaxation, this is a nice unit that you should think about. The chair has up to 5 adjustable positions, making it a selection that will suit your relaxation needs. In addition to this, the beach chair has been covered in a quality durable 600D polyester fabric material so that it serves you longer and stays safe from the harsh weather conditions. Again, the chair has a larger seat that offers great comfy, and with the rust-proof aluminum frames, you will find it great for long-term use plus lightweight to carry. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.